Hi guys, if you ever need access to rear lamps, the lock mechanism or the windshield wiper motor or two plugs that hold the screws that hold the license plate in place, today we'll show you how to remove this cover, and this will allow you to access all of these elements. First we will remove the central plastic piece. It's been held by these plugs. Now we can remove the side ones. Now we can remove the handles. Now we can remove 4 bolts using 10mm socket. So you can see it's been simply pulled off and it's been held by all these ones. Let's see what we have here. First of all, we have now access to the rear hatch door lamp right here. So I'm talking about this one. As you can see, we have the LED bulb, that's for the stop light, and the regular bulb for the backup light. But this is also accessible without removing the rear plastic trim. As we go forward, we see the windshield wiper motor, which can also be replaced from here when you remove plastic trim. Now, what else do we have here? Also right here we have the connector for the opening button for the rear door, and right here we have the connector for the rear camera, backup camera. Also there are 2 connectors for the license plate bulbs, 1 and 2. Right here we have the rear hatch door locking mechanism, and over here this silver thing that you see is actually the sound deadening element, and as you can see it's the only one for the whole rear hatch door. Over here, I'll try to show you, there are 2 black plugs right there. Those 2 are used to hold the screws that hold the license plate in place. So one of our subscribers actually asked a question how to access them, and this is how you do it. So apparently he lost one when he was installing the plate and it just fell somewhere in the door. So this will be the way to access them and install a new one. So this one.